I did not go to Congress to be a leader in climate. I'm a Republican from Utah, oil and gas and coal, but you don't have to check your conservative values at the door to be good on this issue. One of my long-term goals is to have every Republican talking about being good stewards, leaving this earth better than we found it. And in truth, I think we always have, but we talk about it in a different way. And so sometimes you won't see in our platforms and in our agendas climate. And I think that's been a mistake. I think that leaves people with the assumption that we don't care. It's important if we want to make progress for both Republicans and Democrats to learn how to talk about this together. Do you know that 1/3 of all Republicans in the United States House of Representatives are part of the Conservative Climate Caucus? That surprises a lot of people, especially when they learn that the first tenet of the caucus is that the climate's changing and that decades and decades of an industrial revolution that caused by man has had an impact on the climate. And so it gives us a better opportunity to talk with our Democratic colleagues about solutions instead of debating whether or not this is really happening. And Republicans have different ideas than some of our Democratic colleagues, but they're all about reducing emissions. And I think it's important to have this debate. And I think it's healthy for the country. I think it's healthy for the climate. And I'm really proud of Republicans for being more and more a part of this conversation. I have 6 kids, and we're expecting our 16th grandchild. I think unequivocally I'm in this because of them. But I know in my heart that there'll be a day when they look back and say, I'm sure glad Dad or Grandpa or my great-grandpa did what he did.